presenting a pre-owned 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Land Rover has less than 146,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.